Welcome back to the Potter Family Farm. We're looking at our first little harvest of corn and a little bit of our pumpkins there that we wound up getting, and this is all we would get this year for pumpkin. Next year we have our plan for something bigger. But all the corn that we wound up doing, and this is one of the ones we opened it up. This is that yellow and white corn. This is really, really sweet. This is, I guess they refer to almost like the cotton candy of corn. But really nice. You can see how it's all up and bubbly. The tops of them are not flat. So, and when you pop one of them, they have a nice little crisp pop and they come out milky. So very nice. And just looking at how many we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We actually had 12. One was just so small we wanted to look at it, and it still was kind of greenish, but it was actually finished. It was out of this. You can see this right here was all what was sticking out. It was finished, but it was just still not going to grow more.
It still tasted good.
Yeah, tasted good, but tasted still kind of green.
Yeah.
But that was it. So that's welcome to our first picking of corn and pumpkins. You have a good day.